Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art, I did these palm tree style neon summer nails. So I did some freehand palm trees with a half moon shape and some studs with a pink accent color. So I started off with Gillet's Bottoms Up for the bright pink, as well as Madame Glam's Perfect White for the white base. So I just apply these colors to each of my nails. And then on the middle two fingers, I used the brush from the gel polish just to make the little geometric shape. And I went a little bit farther down with each coat. And I mean, you can go in with a brush and clean it up until you get the shape that you're liking. You want to keep it pretty consistent. And then as you can see, I got polish on my skin, so I went ahead and cleaned that up before moving on to the last pink nail. And then I cured it for 30 seconds and took Bundle Monster Fairy Fantastic, which is the green polish that I used for the palm leaves. You can also use two different shades in order to get a darker leaf with some more definition, or you can use acrylic paint if you want it to be more defined. So I'm going to just drew a line and then drew some little leaves coming away from the line. And I think I did like 3 or 4 on each nail, just kind of filling in the blank white space. And then after that, I'm taking Flawless Finish and I applied that top coat to all of my nails. And this is what I'm using to attach the studs into my middle 2 nails, since they're just little ones. You don't need a ton of anything to adhere them, but if it was bigger, I'd use like some gummy jelly or some hard gel or something. So I'm using these little studs just from Amazon, which I applied with my crystal katana. So right in the negative space, and then once that layer of top coat was cured, I applied another layer over top the rhinestone just to make sure it was all sealed in. And then once that was cured, I removed the tacky layer, and that's how I created this nail art look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will leave links to stuff down below if you're interested in what I used. Bye!